Hi, my name is Latasha Pickett. Today is January 1st, 2005, and here I am with my homemade 3D neuron model. So I just use everyday things around the house. I have my Christmas ornament labeled cell body, and then I use the branches from outside to make my dendrites. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And then I have a half of a chopstick to make my axon. And then for the terminal buttons, I just use some aluminum foil at home. Okay, so we have the cell body, which is the main part that I'm using my study guide over here. It's the main part of the neuron where the nucleus is located. It's like, for example, the command center that processes the incoming signal and decides whether to send the signal forward or not. And then we have the dendrites. These little structures, um, they act as like an antenna. They receive the messages from the neurons and they carry it to the actual cell body. So it goes from here to the cell body. And then once it gets to the cell body, it goes to the axon. And then the axon is like a highway, for example, that I guess transmits the electrical signal and decides whether it should, send it forward. Oh, I'm not showing it. The axon decides whether it should send it forward. So I wasn't, it wasn't in the camera. So we have the cell body, which is the main part, but we have the dendrites, which send the um, antenna to the cell body, and then the cell body sends it to the axon, and then the axon decides whether it should send it along to the terminal buttons. Now, the terminal buttons act as if um, a signal as well. It sends it basically to the body, like the glands, the muscles, or whatever neuron it needs to go to. So these help pass along the message that something is going on, basically. So here's my project. A little up close, I wrote the words on it. And then I can turn it the long way so you can see the entire thing. So yeah, that's my project.